They are both clients of controversial investment property group Members Alliance who were told work had been done on their houses that hasn't. Yet only one can claim on government insurance. Perth mother Tracy Furk is likely to be covered by home warranty insurance as her property is in New South Wales, but Melbourne father Gunter Wilke is set to miss out simply because his is in Queensland, with its government saying it would be too costly to help. Mr. Wilke, of St Albans in Melbourne's northwest, has paid for internal cladding, cabinets and cupboards as well as sinks, baths and basins in his investment property in Monto, 3 hours west of Bundaberg. But they aren't there. He wasn't able to check before making payment because he lives 20 hours drive away. Instead he relied on photos sent with the invoice. There is $82. More work to be done than what's left in his loan, and he won't get that from Queensland's home warranty insurance scheme, unless it is reformed. Queensland Housing Minister Mr. told News Corp Australia he had asked his department and the QBCC to look at such a change. A decision to expand coverage of the scheme to include cases of similar fraudulent behaviour by a licensee would necessarily require considerable consideration of the impact that would have on the viability of the scheme, the costs to consumers and the general operation of the scheme. Quote, Mr. De said. Mrs. Furk, of Darling Downs on Perth's southeast edge, is likely to have more joy because her property is in Grenfell, 5 hours west of Sydney. Like Mr. Wilke, she paid up to the fixing stage, but there are no cupboards. There may have been a kitchen and laundry. Members Alliance sent pictures showing them, but they are not there anymore. If they ever were, the family should be able to claim on the New South Wales Home Building Compensation Fund, but only up to 20% of the contract value. Whether that will be enough to finish the house is unclear. Reporter John Rolfe and cartoonist Warren Brown explain the inner workings of a major group of investment property striking businesses now under investigation by police and others. A fund spokesman said, HBCF's policy is that the fraudulent actions of a builder would not impact on the benefits available to homeowners. Mrs. Furk said her family's finances had gone from good to crapola since Members Alliance cold called them in 2013. We've given them all our savings and are now living week to week, she said. News Corp Australia last week revealed the main lender to Members Alliance clients, ANZ, had offered to let defrauded customers walk away from their nightmares. Mr. Wilke is with NAB. The Furks are with CBA, which told her in July 2014 the property was nearly completed. Follow this reporter's work on Facebook or Twitter.